go on to the second presentation, which is the submit a stock for analysis. Okay. CY Park, any insider news? That one. I have to check the smart money report. I haven't checked it yet. So if you Fong, yes, you are a premium subscriber, so you can just check it. Type in the keyword search and look at those. If you do find you have it, let me know. Right? Because I only one man show, cannot see too many stocks. So you can share with that too. Any insider news or buying. Okay. JCY. Oh, JCY is coming down only, friend. Okay, Peter. You can see. Okay, let's go on to the submit a stock for analysis now. Someone did ask me, I believe Patrick, they asked me to take a look at the okay, on the gold GLD. Okay, I'm going to look at GLD in here. There you go, GLD. Right. Now, if you look at GLD from a weekly basis, I'd like to look at a longer trend. It has actually distributed. Now, this look like a mushrooming top. You still have a support here about 115 in here, 150 US dollar. This is a GLD Gold Trust. So you have a volume coming in. I do believe this is the ultimate amount. Now, remember, don't trade gold. If you're going to be trading gold, a lot of people would have sold it. Now, gold, remember, is the only, I believe, it's only the international currency which is accepted. You hear a lot of stories about Iran is going to be taking gold as a payment from China because of the sanction, which is actually US want to sanction, but like it or not, China needs the oil. So that's how I look at it now. Gold to me, it's a preservation of wealth, not so much in trading it. If you're trading it, then trends looking at, but I'm looking to accumulate around with gold hit the 1550 level. Okay, I just want to show you a price on my chart here. I have physical chart on the gold. This is the chart that I have. You can see you have let me just push this up a bit. Okay, 1550 level in here. That's the ultimate level that I want to be buying. Now, if you draw your trend lines here, okay, you can see the trend lines. Okay, you're looking at 1550 as a good level to be really accumulating for gold going forward. And I believe if we have a good support and we have sign of strength accumulation happening at 1550, we do see gold going higher. So don't believe in all this hype about gold going lower. Gold has never gone to zero, but I do tell you a lot of stocks has gone to zero. I'm still I believe in gold. Gold is just going through a period of drawdown or pullback, which allows it. The other belief I have also is as long as some of those gold, some of you may have bought Geneva golds and stuff like that, what I call the retail goldsmith kind of business, and they are paying dividend. As long as people continue goes into it, I do see gold has any upside to it. However, once you see people complaining and the directors of these companies are arrested and a lot of filing, and people really don't want to talk about gold and say that's it, I don't want to talk about it, then gold can go higher. I mean, that's how the market works. When everybody's talking about, well, gold is not going to go any higher, just think of it. If everyone that you know, including the tea lady, has got into this stock, on this commodity, on this gold, how is it going to go higher? The market doesn't work like that. Okay, the market has never worked like that. Okay. Oh, Geneva is illegal. Oh, Bobby, thanks for knowing that. All right. Okay. Nick, you got DRB Highcom. We got a couple of stocks already. If you want to, the next time submit to me earlier. I'm going to look at that. Okay, just be fair for those people who submit to me earlier. Okay. That's for gold. And okay, I'll move on to the next one here. Okay, next one I'm going to look at is Johor Tin. This is for. Okay, let me just search the Johor Tin. 7167. Okay, Johor Tin looks good. The chart, it may looks a bit of distribution in here. We have a slightly, this is definitely a shortening of the trust, Amy? If you can see here, the market couldn't go higher up to about, let me just pull this down again, a bit here. You got the support at 130, 135. looks like distributing in here, low volume support. If the market were to break back to $1.30, that's where I would actually get out. Trend still looking up, but remember it's looking up to mushrooming down. The high, which is at 145, and you notice this ultra high volume in here do look like a buying climax to me. So it looks like a distribution at this top in here. However, having said that, you should move your stops higher at 130, and if you don't know how to do that, you can come to our course, the one we are doing sometime in early June. Okay. Next one is SH Chan. Okay. SH Chan. Okay, SH Chan. What does it look like to you, Amy? Right, which has happened to be in the class in here. Right. Does it look like distribution for you? Right. You got the tail here. You got ultra high volume. You got another upthrust in here. Very nice. Yeah, distribution looks very nice. So you got a 2-bar reversal in here. Trend is still looking down from here. Now, at this junction, the market SHR may look for buyers. I will put my stop at the pivot low there. Correct? That's a good area, around 115 level in here. You got this. Higher prices are rejected at 117 level here too, right? So that's how as I see it. As you go on 110, and if you draw your trend lines in here, okay, it is doing one of the most powerful pattern in Wyckoff, which is a one-eye Joe trade. A one-eye Joe trade, which is vicious, in my opinion. If you look at how they did for Hong Kong, this is the Hang Seng chart, where I'll talk about in my closing bell for the premium members. Look, it crack up and then sell off from here. Look at that, the one-eye Joe. Another one in here for the Singapore Straits Time in here. A bit more about the outlook at the closing bell. I'm not going to talk about it today. Okay. That's the two. Now I'm going to go through some of those who submitted to me earlier to the website, which is a submit a stock for analysis. And if you want to do that, you can do so. You can go to free stock analysis, right? And right, you just go to this page here. Just wait for the refresh. Now this one is going to take a bit of time. There you go. Okay, you just put your name, email, and your stock price here, and you press submit. So that's how you do it. And what I do, it goes into a little spreadsheet like me, and I'll take a look at that. Okay, from Kuching, Agnes share 4456. Wonder what stock is that one? Okay, 4456. Okay, let me just 4456. Oh, 4456. Look like Time Engineering, I believe. 44. Yeah, it's time. So it's K time. Okay. Okay, where is time? Okay, let me just refresh this again. It seems to be locked in a sideways market. Hasn't gone much. There was a gap down in here, right? And still holding up. Now the only thing you have to ask yourself, you got ultra high volume in here. Market seems to be locked on a sideways, not in a nice downtrend, right? Yep, you got the upthrust, a 2-bar reversal in here, a hidden upthrust in here. So markets look likely to test 33 cents. Now, if you have a stock, you bought it at 36 cents, it go down to 33 cents, you lost 3 cents. That's almost 10%, right? Am I correct? Yes. That's a lot of money. That's what I urge people. If you are trading, stay away from those 30 cents, 40 cents. I mean, yes, you do make a lot of money. Yes. But remember, we are in a game where your learning curve, right? It's very, very steep. But your capital, is it steep? It's very small, right? Most people, they have a small capital and they're trying to come to the market and try to make double the money. Now, this is my point here. I just want to draw your attention now. If you look at our portfolio that we have a little bit, some of those who have EPF now, Amy in the room have an EPF portfolio. Are you happy with your EPF performance? Yeah, she's happy. She just told me. Okay. Now, if you look at it, we have an EPF portfolio in here. Now, if you followed our method, looking at the insider report and buying it, skipping to the along the same line of dividend stocks, you would be averaging about 14%. And while EPF is giving you 5%. By the way, those of you who is interested in open up the EPF account, send me an email. We can help you to manage it, or at least provide you how you can do better than other means of putting in unit trust. So a lot of people said, hey, 14% for 1 year, hey, not good, man. I think I can do 200% return, right? Yes, there are people who believes in that. Now remember, if you're so new in the market, there is this thing called learning curve that you have to live. Now remember Warren Buffett, who is the most, in my opinion, the best investor in the world for the last 27 years. He's averaging about 20%. Right, we are doing 14% based on 2003 because that is the time when Bill was licensed. So that's where we have the records originate from 2003. So if you think of it, so Warren Buffett 20%, right, and our portfolio is 14%. So you gotta beat myself and Warren Buffett consistently. A lot of people can make 200% return in 1 month or 2 months, and that's it. It's wrong out because remember, this is an area where you got to have the right skill and the right knowledge. And in my opinion, people who made that quick return, they're gonna lose it fast too. Okay. Now this is some on gold chart, and this is on housing too. You can look at this. This is in our wealth website at www.wwealth.my. This is more for the fund management. We kept it that way, and the traders group, we have kept it more for the trading. Okay. So what's the next one we're gonna look at? Chart here. Okay. Next one we're gonna look at is the PTB. PTB. Okay, PTB.